अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। मैं हूँ आपका होस्ट, आपका दोस्त वाशिंगटन से। आज मैं आपको एक कम्युनिटी के फेस्टिवल में लेके आया हूँ। बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ और देखिए यहाँ पे हमने कौन सी एक्टिविटीज़ करनी है और आज बहुत ही मज़ा आने वाला है। बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ और मुझे ज़रूर बताइएगा कि दुनिया के किस मुल्क से आप ये मेरी वीडियो देख रहे हैं। अगर वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और प्लीज़ मुझे सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर करना, पूरी वीडियो देखना और फिर एंड पे आपने ज़रूर कमेंट्स लिखना है।
Performance right now, make some noise. All right, in a few moments, the Alexandria City High School drama team is going to be performing to the right of the DJ booth. Are you ready for the drama team? All right.
Body and be dead. It's stupid. It's mortal. It's stupid and mortal. And Xander's crying and not having fruit punch. And I thought Joyce will never have fruit punch.
In Jewel, we have Paige Vogel, who will be doing Kate's monologue from The Taming of the Shrew after she gets her microphone settled.
All is so, none so dry or thirsty. Will desire to sip or touch one. Two little payments for so great a debt, such duty as the subject owes the prince, even such a woman owes to her husband. And when she is froward, peevish, sullen, sour, and not obedient to her husband's honest will. But a foul, contending rebel and graceless traitor to her loving. I am ashamed that women are so simple to offer war when they should kneel for peace or seek for rule, and slay when they are bound, love, serve, and obey. Why are our bodies soft and weak and smooth, unapt to toil and trouble in the world? But that our soft conditions and our hearts may very well agree with our strong hearts. Come, you froward, unable worms, my mind hath been as big as one of yours, my heart as great, my reason happily more. Demand you word for word and frown for frown. But now I see our lamps
It's amazing. So we came here, I think it was 99, 2000. There weren't a lot of Muslims,
Our weakness
none of
past
that stuff. Now it's all over.
That seeming to be most
19, okay.
which we indeed
Yes. Correct.
and veil yourselves, for it is known
And then you had Dr. Hijra, one of the original
below your
around
husband's
here
foot,
in Falls Church.
and
But
token
now
of
we
the
have mosques
students.
everywhere.
My hand is ready.
All right. Nice to meet you.
And somewhere out there we have a theater website. Our upcoming fall play, Pygmalion, is November 7, 8, 13, 14, and 15. We hope to see some of you there. And stay tuned for more performances from our
This
dance
right here,
and orchestra department.
right, that's how you turn on the side. If you want to try. Pretty cool, right? What grade are you in? 7th? Okay.
And you're talking?
And enjoy this wonderful performance by Latino.
Turn it out. Turn it out. All right, y'all. Get funky with it. Oh! Oh! And to the left. Oh! And to the right. Oh! Here we go. We got that right step. Shot, shot, shot. Left step. Shot, shot, shot. Turn it out. We got that right step. Shot, shot, shot. Left step. Shot, shot, shot. Turn it out. Okay, I got one for you. I got another one for y'all. Oh, no. You know what? I have one for both of you guys. The name of the sitcom is Matlock. Matlock. I'm gonna do another one. Are y'all ready for the next one? Are y'all ready for the next one? Here we go. Does anybody think that's Roseanne? Is Roseanne the right answer? It absolutely is. Will is right. Congratulations, Will.
जी अगर आज आपको ये मेरी वीडियो पसंद आई है तो प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा। तो मिलते हैं हम किसी और अच्छी सी वीडियो में। अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू।